Well, hello folks, it's Mike here. I just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron, and today we're going to be making cast iron scrambled eggs. I realize a lot of people are having trouble making scrambled eggs in cast iron, and so we're going to show you how we do it today. First thing you want to do is crack you 3 or 4 eggs. I've got 4 here, and you just want to whip them up real good. Let those set for just a second. And get you a little butter. I use butter. Some people use grease, but I use about a tablespoon of butter in my skillet. I've got a preheated 8-inch cast iron skillet here. We'll let this butter kind of melt down for just a second. We got our heat on medium high to high. And that's the key. And then you want to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper to your eggs. Get that ready, and then just kind of mix that up real good again. Now, some people put water in their scrambled eggs. Some people actually put milk in it. I don't put either one. Every once in a while I'll put a little bit of water, but I don't like to put milk in there too often because sometimes milk will scorch in your cast iron skillet, and we don't want scorched eggs. So once this is hot, we just want to pour our eggs into the cast iron skillet like that. Get us a little spatula. Now the butter's going to kind of turn brown, so that's the reason why you're seeing them kind of brown like that right there. But you just want to take your skillet, kind of tilt it like that, move your eggs around a little bit, and you'll see how you can bring these all together without it sticking to your cast iron skillet, and you'll have perfectly scrambled eggs every single time. I make these almost every morning, so I got a lot of practice. We do this for me and Teresa and our grandbaby. And so once I get to that point right there, I basically turn my heat down because the skillet is already hot. It's going to stay hot. And then I just take and flip those over so they're not moist. And then I begin to scramble my eggs up, chop it up in bite-sized pieces, or not necessarily bite-sized, but manageable sizes. And then you just want to take and turn that out. And that right there is what you're looking for. And as you can see, nothing stuck in the cast iron skillet. Clean as a whistle. So there you go, folks. That's how you make cast iron scrambled eggs. We'll be talking to you soon. Y'all have a great day now. It's Mike and Mrs. Cast Iron. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.